Hi, this is Swati, and in today's video, we will see the axioms of similar triangle, all the axioms that we have. So the first one is AA. AAA stands for angle, angle, angle. If two triangles have pair of corresponding angles equal, then the triangles are similar. So if you just prove two angles are equal, the corresponding angles are equal to each other, then the two triangles are similar. For example, A and D are corresponding, B and E are corresponding, C and F are corresponding. So if I prove any two angles are equal, then I can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, I've already explained you what do you mean by corresponding in my previous videos. Now coming to the next axiom, SAS, side angle side. If two triangles have a pair of corresponding angles equal and the side including them proportional, then the triangles are similar. So here we can clearly see that the angle is between the two sides. It's very, very important. The angle should be included. So all the corresponding angles, let me mark this. Angle A is equal to angle D. So if I consider this angle, my sides should be AB is equal to DE and AC and DF should be proportional. So here angles are exactly in between the two sides. The angle is included. It is between the two sides. This is very, very important. So let's say I take these sides proportional and B is equal to E. So I cannot use SAS because my angle is not included. It is not between the sides. So when you see that the angle is between the two sides, in the figure also, it should be the included. It should be between the sides. Only then you can use this axiom. So here I can write A equal to D and the sides are in proportion. AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. So if I prove this bit, I can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. I can also have various other things, like if I consider B and E, so then my sides would be AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. My angle should be between the two sides. I hope this is clear. Now moving on to the next axiom, SSS, side, side, side. Very easy. If the two triangles have three pair of corresponding sides proportional, so here you know the triangle has three sides. So if all the three sides are proportional to each other, then the triangles are similar. So I can write if AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by SSS. Writing the axiom is very, very important. You will be awarded 1 mark for the axiom. So you should not forget writing this axiom and choosing the correct one. Now, last but not the least, AAA. This one, if you don't even know, doesn't matter because we have the first axiom as AA. So if two angles are equal, then the triangles are similar. So here same thing. If three angles are equal, then the triangles are similar, obviously. So if all the corresponding angles A equal to D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to F. If all the corresponding angles are equal, then the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by AA. The criteria is very important again. I hope you have understood the solution. Thank you.